Hey guys, today is a beautiful day out here. A little bit cloudy, as you can see. Let me show you the sky. It's cloudy, a little bit windy, not that windy, and it's 3 months since I got this drone. It's been wonderful, so I just decided to make this video and share with you guys. Let's take a look. Firstly, I always like to give a visual inspection before I fly, so let me check my remote control. Yep, check. I always do this, guys. Please, a bit of advice, always make sure that you do a quick checkup. Check all your buttons, make sure everything is functioning all right, and then just give it a quick look before flying. Very important step. Very important step. It avoids a lot of malfunction, or it avoids crashes. So yep, as you can see, 3 months. Look at the propeller. Yep. Lift it up, look underneath, a little bit dirty there, but it's okay. That's not a big deal. So everything looks all right, and let me put my camera on. Actually, let me put it on my head. Sorry guys, this is the part where most people edit, but I just want to give you a raw footage today, so I'm not going to edit this part. I'm just going to keep it on. Let's see how this drone performs. You know, I've flown this drone under all sorts of conditions. Snow, rain, and everything. Wind. And for those who have not seen my other videos, please go back and watch them. You would see all what this drone has been through. So 3 months after a year release, let's see how it performs. Okay, I think my camera is set up, so let me bring it down. Let's turn it on, put it on the flat surface. Let's see what's gonna happen. Uh-oh, it looks like I do not have a connection. I see there that the backlights are blue. So let me see. Let me try. Okay, let's change position. Sometimes you just have to move it a little bit, and you get the proper signal. It's still blue. I don't know if you can see it, but it's blue behind, so it will not take off. You see, it's blue and red up front. So it just means that I need to move it around a little bit, which is no problem. Let's try here. Okay. Oh yeah. I see it's green now. See, it's green. That's ready for takeoff. Woo! We're airborne, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Wow, let's just enjoy this moment. Actually, this drone has been wonderful. I really enjoy flying it. It's impeccable. The only problem I've had is with the app. Sometimes it's slow to react, or it malfunctions a little bit, but on most occasions it has been perfect. So, oh no, the wind is picking up here. Oh no. Huh. It's stuck on this tree. Huh. This is something. I don't know if you can see it. Let me go a little bit closer. Yeah, the wind picked up a little bit and I was having too much fun. Lord, let me see if I can climb. I don't think that's a good idea. Huh. But if you can look in the middle of your screen, let me try and see if I can get a good angle. See if I can show you in the middle of your screen right there. You see it moving? Yeah, it's still on. I'm just gonna try and see if I can move left, right, up, down and see if it breaks that little branch and falls down. Good thing is it's still on, so I'm just gonna try and see. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it does. Oh yeah, keep moving it. Yeah. See if I can bring it down with this little stick. No way, missed. Huh. Wow. It's still on. Oh yeah. You see? Oh. The good thing is it did not turn off, so I just kept moving it left and right, up and down, and let's see how it does. Let's try to go back airborne and enjoy this moment. Yep. We're airborne, guys. I feel like breakdancing right now. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. It flies perfectly. I feel like this is the maiden flight, you know. Wow. Huh. Yeah, I really love this drone. I feel like just breakdancing, you know. It's been through thick and thin. I've tested it in so many different ways and it hasn't really let me down. Yes, I've experienced some failures, but on some occasions it didn't perform the way I expected it to, but it has been a really nice drone. I really enjoy flying it. Of all the drones I have, this one is, I can say, my one of my favorites, if not the best one. Oh yeah. Wow. Yeah. Flies really well, really well, especially when you're using the remote control. It is just impeccable. Oh yeah. I must say I'm really grateful for all my subscribers, all those that follow me, all the comments, all the questions. I'm happy. I'm gonna do a little trick right now. I'm gonna make it crawl. So this is a challenge. Say I'm gonna make this drone crawl on the pavement right now, and oh, all right, guys. As you can see, it flew very well. A little mishap with the tree, but it's okay. Everything seems to be good. There goes the branch where it got stuck. I think I'm gonna keep this and take it home. Oh nope, I'm throwing it away. Okay. Alright guys, please comment below, subscribe, ask your questions. I'm here to give whatever little knowledge I know about this drone. So thank you all, and see you on my next video.